Hello everybody, this is Professor Rubberduckus and my magic microwave. And I have a strange feeling what comes out there in the back area. Look! It's a telephone. And here comes our volunteer, a liter of milk. Goodbye, milk. Oh my God! I did a sex change. It is now a female milk. A fit milk. Let's change the sex, shall we? What have we done? We shrunk the milk! Such a tiny little milk! What have we done? What have we done? Put the microwave on reverse. And I hope the plutonium power will make it possible to blow up the... I hope the plutonium power will blow up the milk again. Oh no! What have I done? I can't hold it. Too heavy. 1.5%. Shit, Rupa. 1.5 liters of milk. My goodness. We must shrink the milk again. What is this? This is black magic.
That's a little bit racist, you know.
Turn milk into Vegemite. This video was brought to you by Milbona, 1 liter milk. Freshly, 1 liter fit milk. Domo, 1.5 liters of milk. And this little children's toy, the mini milk. And of course, the star of the evening, Vegemite. Albie, eat me, eat me, eat me.
LOL.
Oh.
I need a bigger belly.
Bye bye for now, Professor Rubberduckus.